like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, this is Dolphin Musakai. In YouTube, I'm known as Dolphin Tech. Guys, I'll be showing you all guys how to deal with this. I'm sick and tired of this. You can see in any Android phone, you can deal with this. I've tried doing this, guys. You go Play Store. And I downloaded the app, and again, it didn't work. Like I open, it's not working, guys. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Guys, I beg you, please subscribe. Please, please, please. It's really important for me. So let me get you all started without further delay. First thing you do is go to settings. Once you go to settings, go here, apps or applications. Once you go in applications, you go all, and then you go to Google Framework. Google Framework. There's it here, Google Service Frame. Yeah, there's it here, Google Framework. You press on that, Google Services Framework. You press on that. Once you press on that, you go clear data. Okay. And then here, you go disabled. Okay. Done. Then you go back to YouTube. Let's go back to YouTube. Still not working. And then you restart your phone. What you do is, once you do, you restart your phone here. Okay. It's starting, guys. So let's just see. Please guys, subscribe. Please subscribe and like the video, please. If you don't like the video or it's not helpful to you, you can dislike the video, but please do something. Just wait a bit, please wait a bit. Yeah, so done. Then you go back. Let's go YouTube. YouTube. Starting. Boom, boom. Wow, it's working. As you guys can see, it's working. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I can search for my channel. You can see my channel right here. You can watch my videos. That's me. Thank you so much, and that's all for today. See you next time.